Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the family.
How you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it.
So the other day I made this wig, but I wore it to my friend's wedding, but I found out that the hairline is still thick, even though I kind of thin out the hairline. So today I'm going to be tweezing it a little more to make it more realistic, more hairline, because you can see it's still looking so dense. The front is looking so dense, so I'm going to tweeze it a little more. So to start tweezing, I'm going to take out the front because I've tweezed the front line before. So I'm going to take out the first row. Okay, let me turn this. So I'm going to take out the front row, then I'm going to tweeze behind it, so that in case you make any mistake, this row, this front hairline that you're taking out can cover it. So let's go. So the closure wig is very dense, so that's why I'm going all in to kind of twist to reduce the volume of the wig. So like I said, little at a time, don't rush it. Can you see? Can you compare the see? Can you see this? Let me show you the other side. So even the middle part is thick, so I'm going to twist the middle part also. So I'm going to take out the first row and twist behind the row. So after taking out the first row, twist behind it. So I want to see how much of the hair that I've twisted out. So I'm going to use most of the hair. So I believe it's a lot better now. You can see how it is. And then this is the after. Are you guys seeing any difference? This is the before, this is the after. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Take out the front row, because this front row that I take out is always a savior. Then you twist behind. So you can see how nicely done this side looks, while here is still dense. So I've tweezed out here, but this one still looks fuller than this side. So I'm going to tweeze it a little more, just so they look like the same thing. So with this, I think I've done a pretty good job. So I'm going to leave it this way, just so I don't spoil the whole frontal. So this is what I was able to take out of the closure. So this is what our hair is looking like. You can see. So I'm going to insert the picture of the before. So I'm going to insert a before picture and an after, so that you see the difference. And tell me in the comment section which one is better. See, this is before. I think this looks more realistic. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.